Hi everyone, welcome to Smart Tech. And today we are reviewing the new Honor 9 Lite. The Honor 9 Lite is the most affordable smartphone that actually comes with 4 cameras. It has a dual camera on both front and back. The Honor 9 Lite priced at 11,000 rupees for 3GB RAM 32GB ROM variant and 15,000 rupees for 4GB RAM 64GB ROM variant. So let's find out. Let's start with the design and build quality. The Honor 9 Lite comes with 18:9 aspect ratio infinity display. And it has 75.5% screen-to-body ratio. Both the front and back panel is made up of glass, and the fingerprint sensor is placed at back and which works super fast as soon as you tap it. The Honor 9 Lite measures a thickness of 7.6 mm and a weight of 149 grams, which is very slim and weightless. The phone looks very premium in my opinion. The one thing to notice that the 9 Lite does not feature dedicated SD card slot, it offers a hybrid slot, which is a disappointment for most of the users. Moving on the display, the phone comes with 5.65-inch Full HD plus 428 pixel per inch IPS LCD display. The viewing angles are nice. Picture quality is good. Colors are mostly accurate and everything looks sharp in this device. The Honor 9 Lite runs on EMUI 8.0 user interface on top of Android 8.0 Oreo. The EMUI is a customized UI that offers couple of nice gesture features. The UI is generally smooth and working quite well. Moving on the processor, the 9 Lite comes with high silicon Kirin 659. 2.3 GHz octa-core processor paired with 4 or 3 GB RAM is available, but which struggles sometimes with occasional firmware drops and lags. While nothing to feel unusable, the gaming performance was not so good. The Honor 9 Lite has Mali T830 GPU. Something it is disappointing due to little bit of frame drops and lags during gameplay. If you are a gamer, I would not recommend this device for you. The device can only handle medium graphics games smoothly. The highlighting part of this device is its camera. The Honor 9 Lite comes with 13 MP f2.0 aperture plus 2 MP depth sensor dual camera on both front and back. Under good lighting condition, the phone produced good results. The pictures are sharp, level of detail is good, and the color reproduction is almost accurate.
By the water, she's gone astray, so far away from her father's daughter.
But in low light conditions the pictures are not so good. There is a little bit of noise here and there. Both the front and back camera support portrait mode effect and can shoot 1080p 30 fps videos. The front portrait mode effect is more efficient than any other smartphone in this price range. The background blur is quote nice due to the dual camera on front. Moving on the battery. Battery is the fundamental aspect to users to buy. The Honor 9 Lite managed to put 3000 mAh battery. It should long last for a day in moderate usage. So that was our review of Honor 9 Lite. Subscribe our channel for more updates.